I'm gonna go literally tell him that you want to
Yeah, jerks. I didn't want to admit it, but it was because they stand up, so the thing with Audis to me was one of those things where you don't know if you're looking at something fancy until you know what you're looking at.
Someone just made their own
I think it's made of plywood. It's plywood.
I'm not sure if that's plywood. I don't think I wasn't the red guys. I wasn't going to talk about layoffs either. Was it the big manufacturers or was it my company?
It was foreign.
I was going to say something. Monday when I go to work. My coworkers got crazy. It was raining real hard. I'm on the freeway interest rate spinning third. I grabbed it. Just to know, like 46. But like, especially when I'm like on the east side of the hood or something, I'll be like, I feel like an old second gen or something, right? Is he revving the seat?
Okay.
The team looks like a
Yeah,
you know?
I love it.
So it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It's a 5-speed. It does have a nice high wing here.
Right. I'm ashamed that I was. They don't have the top rated scream of a. They don't have the top rated scream of an inline tour. I'm like, sounds like a rally car. I can't find the YouTube videos anymore, bro. But there was a dude who had a 3.0 R in a BRZ that he was doing a rally cross, right? And he did a 6-1 header.
Break.
Break? Yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it. Yeah.
Let's see.
The gas leak from the tank is so big that it throws a code for it. My exhaust doesn't run all the way back there, so I just think I'm like, I've been discovering my grip. I make all this noise to be slow and uncomfortable. These guys are like this house and then can you let that look first? Right.
There's like one time where I'm like very crazy.
That's tomorrow.
I guess I'm standing for
What's your name? John, I'm putting on.
Last year,